All right, so if you have a 2016 Mini Cooper, we're gonna go ahead and show you where the cigarette lighter fuse is. So you blew out the cigarette lighter, so it's very simple. All right, so it's gonna be in your passenger side kick panel. And pop this open, and it's gonna be this one right there. It's gonna say cigarette lighter, like some of the old little drawings, but you know, it's right there. It's 20 amp. F44, and that's your symbol. All right, so the numbers are located here next to the fuses, so it's going to be F44 right there. I didn't see any little tool to remove it, so I have one laying around. It is going to be a yellow 20 amp. Pull it out, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty much blown in the middle there. All right, let's go ahead and replace it with a 20 amp. All right, and you're pretty much good to go. Put your cover back on. And that's it. That's where your cigarette lighter fuse is on your Mini Cooper 2016. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and follow and check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.